Why is my under sink making bubbling or ticking sounds? Have you ever opened your cabinet under the sink and heard strange bubbling or ticking noises? Those sounds can be pretty unsettling, but they are often signs your plumbing needs a little attention. Today, we're going to look at what causes these noises and how you can fix them. Most of the time, bubbling sounds come from trapped air in your pipes. When air gets stuck in the drain or vent system, it creates a vacuum effect as water flows, which makes those gurgling or bubbling noises. This is common if you recently had work done or if your drain is partially clogged. Clogs are another common culprit. When food particles, grease, or hair build up in the drain, they slow down water flow. This turbulence causes air to get trapped and results in those bubbling sounds. If you notice slow draining along with the noises, a clog might be the cause. Venting issues can also lead to these sounds. Your plumbing system has vent pipes that allow air to enter and balance pressure as water drains. If these vents are blocked by leaves, bird nests, or debris, it can cause pressure imbalances. This often results in gurgling or ticking sounds from under your sink. The P-trap, the curved pipe under your sink, is another area to check. It traps water to stop sewer gases from coming into your home. If air bubbles get caught in this curve, they create a vacuum that causes gurgling noises. Sometimes, simply removing and cleaning the P-trap can fix the problem. Some homes use an air admittance valve instead of a vent pipe. If this valve fails or gets stuck closed, it can't admit air properly, leading to bubbling sounds when water drains. Replacing or repairing this valve can often solve the issue. In more serious cases, damage to the main sewer line can cause backflow and gurgling sounds. This is usually accompanied by unpleasant odors and requires professional help. If you suspect sewer line damage, it's best to call a plumber right away. To fix minor issues, start by checking for clogs. Use a plunger or a drain snake to clear blockages. Inspect the vent pipes on your roof for debris and clean them out if needed. If the sounds persist, it's wise to get a professional to diagnose and repair any vent or sewer line problems. Remember, these noises are often signals that your plumbing system needs some attention. Addressing them early can prevent bigger issues like leaks or sewer backups. If you're doing under-sink leak repairs, keep in mind that leaks and these sounds can sometimes be connected. Fixing the source of the bubbling or ticking can help keep your plumbing running smoothly and avoid future leak problems.